Good morning from Provo, Utah in the high maintenance hangar. We're working on the landing gear swings again. Just so many little nuances. We ended up removing all of that fancy seal that we put in there to get the doors lined up. And right now they're just tied out of the way. We're pretty close to having them rigged, but we're going to make sure one at a time. We have the left gear locked out. We have the nose gear locked out. And that means what we're going to do now is we're going to hook up the master door here. And we'll see how this gear comes up and how the doors fit once they're in. All right, I'm going to climb up in the cockpit and make the gear go up, and we can watch these doors, see how they close. All right, you ready for this to happen? Okay, it just broke loose. Gear coming up. Okay.
So this one needs a little bit more on it, and then this needs some adjustment.
Is this the master? This is the master.
This is the master here.
So another turn, half a turn.
I'll do a turn.
And then how's it look back here? Well, hopefully that'll make things better back here.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's pretty loose right now.
Yeah, okay. So a turn here.
A turn here, and
maybe a turn and a half.
I'd do a turn.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right, so we have gaps here. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Pumping this thing sucks. Anyway, obviously we have a big, huge gap here, and the links are up in the front. So I'm going to bring the gear back down again, and we're going to make a couple of adjustments and see if we can make this look better. Okay. All right. You got that, Jen? You can do it. Maybe the Jen, that shouldn't be in the way. I'm coming down anyway.
Yeah.
You're going to do one.
So you do that, yeah.
And then get a wrench. So we decided on one turn, right?
That's also a tie rod.
Tie rod. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. And this, you got this one done. All right. Gear coming up. Okay. All right, let's go see what happened. Still got to go. Need to come up on this one and maybe back this one off a little bit. A little more adjustment, and we'll see what this does.
So,
Mike Webb, where are you? Okay, gear down. Pumping down. Okay, Senor Man. All right, gear handle up, pumping up. What do you think? All right, so trying to get these doors to line up. It's not closing tight, we think, because of the seal. So now I'm going to pull the other seal, which sucks. Looks good with the doors closed, though. Okay.
Good job.
All right. All right, you ready to go back up? Gear coming down. Clear? Gear coming up. Coming down.
Yeah, so what?
Well, so here's
Supposed to go up.
Jen's just talking crap behind me. So we've got the two main gear doors are pretty well rigged. I think they are what they're going to be. Now we just got to find an appropriate seal. That side over there is done. So next project is to make sure we got all our P's and Q's done for the nose gear. We're getting closer, guys. Okay, gear coming up. Handles up. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. All right, so we haven't had a chance to put the mule on it yet. We've been having trouble with retracting the nose wheel. Okay, I may have mentioned this before. The nose gear rolls up into that bird beak up in there, and it rolls that closed, and then this latch right there goes up and locks the gear in place. Well, what that does, it's unlatched right now, but that popping up into there allows that hook to come off, and then the door is closed by virtue of this cylinder. Well, the problem was it wasn't developing enough pressure for the nose gear to pop all the way up inside, and therefore that latch couldn't unlatch and the gear couldn't come up. Well, we started looking around, and the only thing we could figure out, there's a slide valve right here. And I'll show you what we found.
Hold the light.
No, I'm leaving.
Well, how are we going to get around with that scissor lift? What's your plans?
Okay. So here's a spare valve that we had. And it's really kind of cool. You've got this spacer and you've got this slide valve. Goes in here. And you've got a spring that goes in here. All of this is behind this. Then you've got these two seals here and here. Well, when we took this apart, unfortunately, we found that this spring was in upside down. And what happened, you can see this indentation on this seat right here at the top. That spring had wound its way underneath that seat. And that was causing us to leak. So now we're about to give it the old college try, and let's raise this gear and see if everything works as advertised. Keep going.
Seems a lot harder.
It hasn't walked yet, has it?
Okay, hands off. All right, let's see what it does. Put it in neutral. It's falling again. All right, so we're going to have to do some more investigation. That's where we're going to have to leave it this week. It's frustrating. It's like everything else you work on on this. It's this minutia stuff that kills you. But anyway, I want to say thanks to you're being on film there, Robert. Thanks to everybody who's watching our videos, and hopefully you got stuff out of it. And I guess we'll see you next time, and hopefully we resolve this issue. Thanks for watching.